street is called Rua Ho Linh Vong. There's a lot of people way down there, so we're going to see what that's all about. And then I also want to capture this building right here, so I'm going to step back a little bit. But we're kind of in these alleys of Taipa village. We're going to be walking down that way, and then I'm going to briefly just kind of want to show you the top of that. Kind of interesting, right? So anyways, that's where we're going to be going down that street. I think there's even rooftops up there too. It's kind of interesting. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so we're going to be going down this particular street right here. We're kind of in the sun a little bit. Let me just, there's a restaurant right here. So you can see, I think it's called, I don't want to say, there it is, Amiago. I think there's also like a Pinocchio here too. But anyways, that's here. And there's a long line down that way, so we're gonna try to capture that in a moment. This one is pork chop buns. And I think there used to be a Nepal guy that was here advertising stuff. I don't know if he's here anymore. And we also have this, tons of people down this way we're going to try to capture. So I guess it's all pork chop bun, and they're also advertising for K-pop star. You can see there's a long line right there. So let me just see what that one is. Okay. So I guess they're selling hot dogs. Eggs, cha. So I guess there's some, and there's some of the reference right up there as well. Okay. So we're gonna try to capture all of this and see. Pork chop bun. Something's in here. Okay, so we got a big long line, I guess for the pork chop bun or for the tea, coffee, the cha. So we're gonna go all the way down this way. Let's see. And then I'm gonna give context. So this is the name of the street. Ho Linh Vong. And then this is kind of the busy street called Cunha right here. So all of this is kind of like known as kind of like the food street. And that's our target street right there. And then I guess we get some context. So this one is all one big long line, and then you can also see there's lines everywhere. So I think what I might do is try to capture some of the long lines everywhere. So, okay. So there's a big K-pop event. So we're seeing a lot of stuff for K-pop. So we're gonna just go down this way. Actually, this. So this is the name of the street right here, Cunha. So it's kind of a well-known street. So this one goes all the way down to that side, down that way. So that long line. Okay. So that's part of our street, and then this one kind of goes down, and we're just going to continue down and show you some of the other long lines everywhere. But yeah, we're all part of this Cunha, and we have lines kind of everywhere. And we'll give you some context about why. So a lot of it is because of K-pop. And here's some green matcha down this way. So that one. And there's more K-pop stuff over here. Try to meander through this. Let's see if we can. Okay. So let me capture all these long lines everywhere. So this long line, there's a line here, and then I think there's kind of all throughout. So that one, there's a long line down that way. This one, these are the two, some of the musicians. Yenya, there was kind of K-pop themes. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking around Taipa village a little bit and try to give you some more context of what's all going on. This is Dumbo. This is a Macanese restaurant. And we're gonna go this way. So we have more down this way as well. So this is actually a separate little largo right here. Let's see if we can go like this. So, okay. So you got lots of musicians here. Okay, so we're gonna just kind of give you some context of all the different stuff happening around here. And then we're gonna go back to our target street again. Kind of giving you a little tour of Taipa village as well. Let me see. We are gonna keep on walking down this way. And I'm gonna go back to this crazy crowded Cunha guy, Cunha. So this is the kind of the busiest street. And I guess what we're gonna do is we're going to kind of give you a little tour of Taipa village, I guess. Go by some other long lines as well. And our target one was this particular one. Let me give you some context of it. So that's and then this one is and then we're gonna just walk down the street further if I can get across. Okay, so let me try to go down this way. Yeah, tons of people today. Okay, we're at 7 minutes already, so what I'm going to do is we're going to just combine it with Cunha guy because our street was so small, and then you can kind of see all the long lines everywhere. And then we're going to walk down a little bit further to capture more of the long lines. Okay, so now I kind of got some context of how busy it can be around in Taipa village on the weekend. It's a Saturday today. There's also some K-pop events as well. So you're seeing a lot of the crowds today. So that's Cunha guy directly that way, and then our target street is down that way. And we are going to try to get back on the sidewalk. There you can see all the other crowds too, right? So what I want to do is walk down a little bit further because there's an ice cream shop with more long lines. So we're just going to capture that one as well and just put them all together. And we'll label it Cunha, the crowded one. And then the original one, which was, I forget the name now, but so we're going to label it for those two, and then you kind of get a context of Taipa village. We're going to try to go over here while this bus is. And then this one is a really long line right here. So now we have to get over here. So we're going to try to capture that bus. Okay, that line is huge. I'm going to try to go across. So more long lines everywhere. So we'll try to get this in context. So basically all these lines are for the ice cream shop. There's more stuff all the way through these little alleys. So the Taipa village area was this whole space in here. Let me just go in here real quick. So we basically came down in some of those areas on that way. All those long lines everywhere. So we're gonna just walk back into this space and then we're gonna end the video. So that was a little bit of Taipa village. You could see some of the long lines. Some of the stuff going on. All right, I guess we'll end the video right there. Slices of Macau.